When writing an essay, blog post or article, sometimes you can get brain block, and getting the juices flowing can be hard. With the use of technology becoming more accessible to all of us, OpenAI have come up with a tool that you can use to help you complete your written tasks and get you back on track. In today's video, we will be taking a look at what is ChatGPT and the advantages and disadvantages of using it. Hello, and welcome to another KYC Lookup video where we bring you AML related content to help you enhance your knowledge in the fight against money laundering. Before diving into today's video, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Oh, and don't forget to leave us a comment with any suggested topics you would like us to cover in the future. So, on to today's video. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a free chatbot released in November 2022 by artificial intelligence AI research company OpenAI. ChatGPT is an AI model that engages in conversational dialogue and can be used from tasks including written emails, scripts, and social media. It's so easy to use and is taking the world by storm. The incredible thing about ChatGPT is that it acts in a very human way, with a very quick and easy result, leaving many users in awe at its ability to provide human quality responses, inspiring the feeling that it may eventually have the power to disrupt how humans interact with computers and change how information is retrieved. Who can use ChatGPT? ChatGPT is widely used by a variety of different organisations and individuals for a range of tasks. One of the most common uses of ChatGPT is in natural language processing, NLP applications. Companies in technology and software development industries use ChatGPT to improve the accuracy and efficiency of their NLP systems, such as chatbots and virtual assistants. This allows them to provide more accurate and helpful responses to users, improving the overall user experience. Another popular use for ChatGPT is in content creation. Media companies and marketers use the model to generate high-quality written content, such as articles and blog posts. It can also be used to generate captions and subtitles for videos and other multimedia content. ChatGPT is also used in the research community, particularly in the field of artificial intelligence. Researchers use the model to test and develop new language processing techniques and to gain a better understanding of how human language works. Additionally, ChatGPT is also used by individuals for personal projects and hobbies. For example, people use it to generate poetry, stories, and even music lyrics. Can ChatGPT be used to commit fraud? ChatGPT is a language model and does not have the capability to commit fraud on its own. However, it can be used to generate fraudulent text, such as phishing emails or fake customer reviews. Phishing scams. ChatGPT can be used to generate convincing phishing emails or messages that trick individuals into giving away personal information or money. Impersonation scams. ChatGPT can be used to impersonate a legitimate organisation or person in order to gain trust and steal money or personal information. Investment scams. ChatGPT can be used to generate convincing investment opportunities that do not actually exist, tricking individuals into investing money that they will never see again. Spamming. ChatGPT can be used to generate thousands of spam messages promoting fake products or services tricking individuals into buying things that do not exist. It is important to use the model ethically and not to use it for illegal activities. If using the model for any kind of business or commercial purpose, it's important to comply with all relevant laws and regulations. Using ChatGPT for research. One of the main advantages of using ChatGPT for research is its ability to generate large amounts of high-quality text data. This can be used for tasks such as data augmentation, text summarization, and language translation. In natural language processing, for example, researchers can use ChatGPT to generate synthetic data to improve the performance of machine learning models. This can also be used in social sciences to generate realistic text data for experiments, such as simulating human conversations in virtual environments. However, it is important to note that ChatGPT is a black box model, and it can generate biased or inappropriate responses if it is trained on biased data. Therefore, it is crucial for researchers to carefully evaluate the data used to train the model and to be aware of the limitations of the model when using it for research. Can ChatGPT be used for investigations? ChatGPT can be used in investigations to assist with tasks such as analysing large amounts of text data, generating reports, and identifying patterns or connections between pieces of information. It can also be used to create simulated conversations, which can be useful in training or testing investigative techniques. Additionally, ChatGPT can be used to generate fake or misleading information, which may be useful in detecting and countering disinformation campaigns. However, it's important to note that the output generated by ChatGPT should always be carefully evaluated and verified before being used in any official capacity, as it is not fallible and may produce errors or inaccuracies. The advantages and disadvantages of ChatGPT. As this is a new technology, there will always be countless advantages to using it. Here are some of the advantages. Can generate human-like text. Can be fine-tuned for a wide range of NLP tasks. Trained on a diverse corpus of internet text. Can perform well in language translation, question answering, and text summarization. Can be used for chatbot and virtual assistant applications. Can be used to generate creative content such as poetry, fiction, and song lyrics. And can improve the efficiency of text-based search and information retrieval systems. But what are the disadvantages of using ChatGPT? It requires large amounts of computational resources and data to train and run. Can generate biased or inappropriate responses if it is trained on biased data. Can generate grammatically incorrect or nonsensical responses if the input is incomplete or ambiguous. Can be prone to memorization of the training data, leading to the generation of nonsensical or factually incorrect responses in new situations. Can be difficult to interpret and understand the reasoning behind its responses. Privacy and security issues when used in certain applications. It's a black box model, so it's hard to understand the inner workings of the model and how it generates its responses. In New York City, the schools district has jumped on the disadvantages of its pupils using such technology and have actually banned its students from using it. In a statement from Jenna Lyle, who is a spokesperson for the New York City Department of Education, she states that the decision to ban ChatGPT which is able to generate conversational responses to text prompts, stemmed from concerns about the negative impacts on students' learning. While the tool may be able to provide quick and easy answers to questions, it does not build critical thinking and problem-solving skills, which are essential for the academic and lifelong success. A spokesperson for OpenAI responded with, "The company doesn't want ChatGPT to be used for misleading purposes in schools or anywhere else, and that they are already developing mitigations to help anyone identify text generated by that system." So, in conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can be used to support research in various fields. By generating high-quality text data and performing well in question answering and text summarization tasks, it can help researchers to accelerate the pace of research and improve the efficiency of data collection and processing. However, it is important to be aware of the limitations of the model and to use it responsibly. Whatever way you look at it, ChatGPT is a groundbreaking tool that will ease the lives of many people in many different capacities. Whether you are tech savvy or not, having a tool that is easy and quick to use surely can't be a bad thing. Well, there you have it. What is ChatGPT and the advantages and disadvantages of using it? Please let us know in the comments section if you use ChatGPT and if you find it a beneficial tool to use. We have now launched our very own courses for you to take a more in-depth look at a variety of subjects, such as Introduction to AML, Beneficial Ownership, and Customer Risk Rating, for example. So make sure you visit our website for further details, and let us help you connect the dots in KYC. Thank you for watching the video, and if you made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe to watch more amazing videos.